Hi guys, I'm Guyana, known as GuyanaXO from Instagram. I am going to be using the Elcie products to show you guys my usual glow face routine, and I hope you guys enjoy it. First, I'm going to use my Belief moisturizer. I'm going to use the Elcie Beauty Sponge. Next, we're going to use the Elcie primer. And now we're going to use the Elcie foundation, and I'm also going to mix it with the Glow oil. So I always add on a lot of foundation because I feel like the more foundation, the more dewy it is. And I feel like it's more enhancing like your features and covering. And I feel like this foundation isn't too much. It's actually like a lightweight foundation, and then it not only covers everything, but it also glows at the same time with the glow enhancer. I feel like I like using this side, like the triangle side of this, because I feel like this is bigger for my face. I feel like this goes in more in the inner corners and like everywhere else of my face. I don't know why. I feel like that one works best for me. I just feel like I keep adding on and adding on, but it's so pretty. It really is so pretty. I like to tap a lot. Just keep adding and adding until I have like one layer. Also, never forget your neck, because you always want it to match with your face. Next, I'm going to use the NARS concealer. I'm just going to dab it underneath my eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, and upper lip. And before I forget, I usually dip into my NARS Custard Concealer again, but it's the matte formula for some reason. I like mixing them both. I feel like the bottom part just like helps you buff it out more. I blend a lot. Next, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just setting underneath my eyes first. It's a lot of product. A little messy. I'm going to use the Elcie Cosmetics bronzer in medium. So I'm just contouring my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, usual areas. And now I'm gonna bake with the translucent powder. Hoping this doesn't get messy. I don't think so though. I think my favorite is to bake with the Beauty Blender, with the Elcie Beauty Sponge, honestly. Now we're just gonna wipe off the baking powder. I'm gonna use the Minimalist palette, and I'm just gonna use, I'm gonna try not that color for blush. Just add it like that, and then I just blend away. I'm also going to use the same shade for underneath my eyes, but I'm going to spray with the Hydra Enhancer spray. Oh, spray it that way. Such a pretty color. And we're going to use the MAC Cosmetics Whisper of Guilt highlighter. I'm going to spray my brush with the Elcie Enhancer spray. Same again with another brush, just a little bit. The bridge of my nose, just adding a little ball right there. And then right here. And inner corners of my eyes. Let's do my eyebrows. I know it's thick enough, but I like to add some color to it. I'm using the Anastasia brow powder in Ebony. I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna use the Chanel mascara. I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics Strip Down Lip Liner. Just gonna line my lips. I like to overline a little bit, not too much. Now I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Pretty Thing lip gloss. And last but not least, the Hydra Enhancer setting spray. This is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. Like and subscribe if you guys like this look. Comment down below. I love you guys so much.